And now, let us hear a message from our Assistant Regional Director for Administration, Fire Senior Superintendent Alan A. Cabot, sir.
Thank you, sir. To our ARDO, Senior Superintendent Salbanya, our RCS, Senior Superintendent Papri, other regional staff, key officers, fellow firefighters, mayong buntag sa tanan. Gamay lang nga kuan, although di man ni siya kuan kanang important announcement, but considering that we are almost about to finish the oversight, no, maybe because as I look at the ranks, there were some females who are not observing the proper decorum in wearing the uniform. Kay no, murag nakalimot na ta that when our hair mutats na sa tuang shoulder, it should be kanang pangkuon, no, iponitel and puston, no, because nanay uban nga gabuyang-yang na, no. Maybe I suggest to our regional director that right after the oversight of the lower units, siguro one of these days mag-rank inspection siguro ta para makita po nato nga nag-proper po ta din sa region. Kay medyo na anay laksite nga atong nakita, no? Pirmi na ito na ma-mention na we should be the show window of the lower units. So ato lang i-observe na kay medyo lain tanawon nga mao ginaako ang itang gusto kung every time we conducted the oversight every year nga in fairness to the lower units, we should also have that inspection here in our region. So anyway, it will depend on the approval of our regional director, but unta na because I still observe some of our comrades nga they are still using the old paths. How many times we reminded that tanggalon na tong old paths, katong murag alibangbang, no, but again naaga po ko'y nakita. So how could we kanang correct the lower units if we here in the regional office cannot do the simple thing? Okay, our regional director is at Kabanglasan, no, nag-turn over sa ilahang bagong fire truck, and he will be coming maybe after lunch, because we have the retirement honor for the 4 retirees of this month of October, 4 p.m. ata. So then, as per Sheila, members of the oversight team, we will start daw tomorrow. No, dili na siya hulaton because tomorrow na sa ilang schedule. We will be going to Dela for the turnover also of their ambulance. So, paki-advise na lang sa kapti nga instead of 29 and 30, we will start tomorrow. And it maybe the east part of the Misor after nagyud sa Kalag-Kalag. Nag-remind lang si Adipot sa katong red teaming for the Oplan Kaluluwa kung unsa na plastar, no, kung sa mag-start tapos unsay plano sa team if will be divided per province or in group gyapon. Okay, so para mawalang na ako ang by the way, for the participants also of tomorrow's seminar sa ICT, katong mga members sa committees, palihog lang ko og plastar kay mag-start po ang oversight, so katong mga involved, no, medyo magbahin lang, no, especially sa PIU personnel, medyo bahinon nato ang tropa para naay mo uban pod sa oversight, and the other also is for the coverage of the seminar sa ICT. That's all, and have a fruitful week ahead of us. Thank you.
Thank you for your message and reminder, sir. Any more? Let's hear a message from our Regional Chief of Staff, Fire Senior Superintendent Richie Fabri.
Very quick, very short. Gentle reminder again, I don't want to reiterate. Once the time is 7:40, there must be a formation already at 7:45. Tapos na ang attendance. Dili mayo nang magbalik-balik ta og hatag instruction. So, in fairness for the senior officers, dapat ready na ang troop. The troop commander must, wala yata tayong mark, kining alarm. Kasi di nila alam sa taas. Ay, kung maayo na, maayo unta. So, be guided accordingly. Dili pwedeng magbalik-balik ta sa problema. Now, again, thank you nga naghamay na diha, but supposedly, kanang mga cleaning materials, dapat wala diha. This is the show window of the Bureau of Fire Protection. So, this is the regional office. Mga nakaglayong ahensya, dili ka kitag mga cleaning materials nga diha sa gawas. And then again, I have observed sa atong CR, the cleaning materials na asulod sa CR. After cleaning, it shall be deposited or placed in the right place. Dili pwede nga nasa CR. So sa female, dapat inyo nang i-attend. Ang sa male po, maugi hapon. We have visitors last Friday. Mga ulaw ta. Mag-CR sila na makita ang cleaning materials. It was from the PPSA. So, pangitanaw. And that would form part of our image. So, we have to protect our image. Not only that we are wearing our uniform properly, but cleanliness is next to godliness. So, we must be prepared always. Dapat presentable ang atong office. Kana lang siguro pinaka-kuana. I don't want to reiterate again. All the in charge, dapat this afternoon wala na tayo makita ang cleaning material sa CR. Anya kanan diha po ma-fix na po na diha. Gamay naman lang na nahibilin. Thank you for sa logistics man siguro. And the FSED, be reminded that we have our RD has committed to have a Zoom meeting with the court manager Mindanao. Bago na nga office created for the compliance of all courts. So this will be a productive endeavor kung ma-realize na there will be a dialogue between RD and the court manager. So dinhi sila ka datong Thursday. So we have a Zoom link already. Be guided accordingly that the FSED must be present during the dialogue of our RD and the in charge of the court manager himself. So thank you and good day to all of us.
Thank you for your message and reminder, sir. Any more message and announcement from different sections? If none, let us sing with honor and pride the Bagong Pilipinas hymn to be followed by the BFP hymn.
Ito ay kinakailangan. Tayo na magtulong-tulong. Napaunlarin ang mahal nating bayan. Panahon na magbabago. Ayos ang mga dapat ayusin. Dapat na maging tungkulin.
concludes our traditional Monday flag raising ceremony. This has been your host, Fire Officer Juan Simasio. Thank you and let's have a safe and productive week ahead.
Tapos po ang seremonya ng pagbibigay pugay sa bawat ng Pilipinas. Humihingi ng pahintulot upang sa